All right, if you're still confused, let's look at how to navigate my course Language Arts Canvas page. So first click on the dashboard, and then you are going to go, up here is announcements, so you can see everything that I'm going to say. But the first thing you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to this weekly agenda. Down here lists everything step by step what you need to complete for that day. If we are doing something in live instruction, I put the materials here. It is everything that you need to complete. Also right here, Unit 4, Week 2, that tells you what unit, what week we are in, okay? So my thing I would do is maybe take a picture of it on your phone, write it down, know that you have, 3 things to do for this day, which is Monday, and then live instruction tomorrow, which we're going to work on the web quest. And so this just will kind of be your guide to help you understand which assignments you need to do. Okay, right here is your live synchronous instruction button. This is where you go to click your meeting link to join your meeting. Down here, if you scroll down, is a conference link. If you set up time to meet with me, you just click on here, this conference meeting link, which I will show you and tell you in your message when you sign up. That will be where you go. Say you missed a live class, here are the links that you click for the live session so you know what you have missed, but make sure that you have a doctor's note if you are missing class or a parent excuse or things like that, just so that's important. If you need help, you can just click help here, and this will take you to my emails. If you click grades, you can click here and you can see every assignment you need to go to. If you click resources, this is where notes for daily language review, notes for daily grammar practice, and then you have some practice that you can do for vocabulary. You just click here. You go to our level 7. We are on lesson 4, unit 4. And there are flashcards. You can learn them all through your things, and you can just keep going through a quiz and spell them. You can test them just to keep practicing. However, the main thing that you will use is this Classworks button. So you click Classworks, look at the weekly agenda, click Classworks. Daily language review is a warm-up. It literally tells you on the weekly agenda, go under warm-up button, click warm-ups. We have daily language review, we have DGP. We are just focusing on daily language review, so click it. Here they are, Q2. You are looking for Monday 13. Here it is. You just click, and this will take you to your assignment. Okay, so that's the first thing. Then you want to go to classwork. If you have a vocabulary assignment, it is under the vocabulary button. Click Greek and Latin root words. And then scroll down to where you see the assignment. Once it loads, Unit 4, practice. Later on this week, you will have Unit 4 vocabulary game on quizzes. All these are here for you. And then if you need to go back and study your words, you go to Unit 4 vocabulary. Here are your definitions. You can practice them on here too. Everything is open for you to look at. However, if you have a reading assignment, think of this like a binder. You would go to the reading section of your binder. And we know that we are in Unit 4. Click Unit 4. We are in Week 2. You click here. This will take you to your assignments that you need to do. Okay, so think of it as a binder. Any warm-up assignment, you go to the warm-up tab. Any vocabulary assignment, you go to the vocabulary tab. Any reading assignments, you go to Unit 4, and then whatever week we are on, post it on the weekly agenda. However, the best thing to do is to make sure that you are completing every assignment on the weekly agenda. Use it kind of as your checklist, okay? So if you still are confused, please let me know, and I can set up a conference time to meet with you to help you figure this out.